Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how much YouTube paid me for the month of July. So right now it's August 3rd, so I'll be revealing my last month's revenue report on this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will be revealing all my YouTube channels revenue report on this video. So we have 4 different YouTube channels and pretty much I'm going to show you guys all my numbers on those channels also. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do leave a like and a comment on this video guys because it will really help me grow on YouTube. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll be answering all your questions. So let's dive in. So before I show you guys the revenue numbers, first let me show you guys my YouTube channel. So you can see here this is my personal brand YouTube channel and I have 70 videos uploaded so far on this YouTube channel. So you can see here I make content on how to make money online and how to do Facebook ads and how to do digital marketing. So on this channel we have very high CPM and let me show you guys the numbers. So you can see here in the last 90 days this YouTube channel got 33,000 views and it got paid $184 so far. So let me also show you guys my last month's revenue. On July, it paid $77. So let me also show you guys my other months so you can see the growth. So let me go to the revenue section so you can see here. So these are the months. Like on March, we made $32 and on April, we made $29 and on May, $37 and on June. Because during these months, I never posted any video on this YouTube channel. Like I only post like 1 video per month. So during June and July, I started pumping more videos to the channel. So during June, I posted like 13 videos on this channel. So on July, we only posted like 6 videos on this YouTube channel, but still it made like $77 compared to last month, June. So let me also show you guys my other channel's revenue report. Before that, let me show you guys the CPM. On this YouTube channel, we have very high CPM. So you can see here on the month of July, we got $15, almost $15 on payback CPM. And let me also go back to June so you can see my growth. So you can see here on the month of June we have like $12, almost $13 CPM on this YouTube channel. So we have other channels where we get like $30 to $40 CPM. So let me also show you guys my other channels revenue report. So this is our second YouTube channel. So you can see here in the last 90 days it got 700,000 views and made $18,000 US dollars. So let me also show you guys my July month's revenue report on this channel. So during the month of July it made $7,400. We only published like 3 videos on this YouTube channel. This is not some personal brand YouTube channel. We never show our faces or we don't make any voiceover. We just repurpose the content on YouTube and we publish it on YouTube. So let me also show you guys how much it made on June. So you can see the growth. So you can see here on the month of June, we have published like more than 15-20 videos on this YouTube channel and it made $6,300. We only started this YouTube channel back in May. So you can see the numbers here. Like on the first few days, we were only making like 10-12 bucks on this channel. And you can see the growth. Like on peak days we make like $500, and let me also show you guys my recent peak. Like you can see here on this peak day we made like $600 on this YouTube channel. So let me show you guys the overall revenue report on this YouTube channel. So you can see here on overall this YouTube channel made $18,780, and you can see the CPM here. This YouTube channel has very high CPM. We're getting paid like $36 to $57. So let me show you guys the CPM. You can see here on some peak days we're getting paid like $50 per 1,000 views. So these are some peak days guys. You can see here like $48 and on $41. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also show you guys other YouTube channels which has similar high CPM and it's also getting us some good revenue. So these are some of our monthly estimated revenue on this YouTube channel. So you can see here on the month of May it made $4,800 and on June it made $6,000 and on July it made $7,400. It's August 4th right now, so far we only made like $200 on this YouTube channel, but we have made some changes to the content, so we will be crossing at least $8,000 US dollars on this YouTube channel. So this is our third YouTube channel. On this channel we have like 3,000 subscribers, and let me show you guys the revenue so far on this YouTube channel. So let me change that to last 90 days. You can see here on this YouTube channel we got 34,000 views and we made like $312 so far. And let me go back to July. So you can see here it almost made us $100. So these are some estimated monthly revenue on this YouTube channel. So you can see here $42, $85 because we are not publishing more content to this channel. But last month we started pushing the channel, so you can see the difference here. Like during the month of June we never published any video to this channel. Like we only published like 1 or 2 videos. And during the month of July you can see here like we published a lot of videos. At least we published like 15 videos on this channel. And it increased the revenue again. So this month we will definitely cross like $200 to $500 on this YouTube channel. So you can see here like $126 and $88 and $100. So this month we're planning to really push the YouTube channel to next level. So we will be doing that. So let me show you guys my other YouTube channels revenue report also. So before I show you guys the other channel, first let me show you guys the playback CPM on this YouTube channel. So you can see here on this channel we're getting paid $25, and let me go back to last one. So you can see here $23. So let me change that to lifetime. So you can see here $21. On YouTube you should only work on high CPM niches because you don't need to get a lot of views to make money. On this YouTube channel we only got like 33 to 50,000 views, and we already made like $448 guys. So always only work on high CPM niches on YouTube, because high CPM niches will pay you a lot of money per 1,000 views compared to low CPM niches. So there are a lot of niches on YouTube which only pays you like $1 to $2 or $3 on YouTube channel. So let me also show you guys some of my channel which only pays us very cheap price, like very cheap CPM. So let me show you guys the next channel. So this is our third YouTube channel. So you can see here on this channel we made only $50 so far because we never published any video on this YouTube channel. So you can see the payback CPM on this channel, guys. It pays us $73 per 1,000 views. So you can see the revenue report here. On the month of March we made only $8 and $38 on the May, and June, July we never posted any video on this channel. So we're going to increase the revenue on this channel by publishing more content to it. So content consistency is everything on YouTube. You can see the difference, right? In the last channel we published more content and we make like $3,000 to $7,000 every single month. On this YouTube channel we've only published like 1 or 2 videos every single month, and you can see the numbers, like we're not making any money on this channel. So let me also show you guys my fourth YouTube channel. That channel only getting us like $1 CPM. So let me go to that channel here. So you can see here on this YouTube channel we're getting paid like 0.81 cents per 1,000 views, because we have tested a lot of niches on YouTube to find out those high CPM niches, guys. On YouTube not all channels make same CPM, so the CPM is totally dependent on the niche you're working on. Like on my channel I work on make money online, so my CPM is around like $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. On the other channels the CPM is around like $30 to $40 and $40 to $70 per 1,000 views. I have personally seen a lot of YouTube channels which makes around $90 to $100 per 1,000 views. Those niches are like real estate or credit card or insurance. Those niches will pay you a lot of money per 1,000 views, guys. So it's totally dependent on what niche you're picking on for your YouTube content. So if I make content on real estate, so my CPM will go to like $30 to $40. Or if you make content on news, comedy or prank, then your CPM will drop like this one. So this channel is a news channel, guys. That's the reason the CPM on this YouTube channel is very low. That's the reason why you need to do research before starting your own YouTube channel. So pretty much that's it, guys. So this is my June's revenue report, July's revenue report, and I hope you got some value from this YouTube channel. So make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I'll be answering all your questions, and see you guys in the next video.